Hey guys, what if I can give you the secrets to YouTube? 12 years of being on here, 12 years of running a business, everything in less than 2 minutes. My name is Travis Morgan. I'm going to teach you real quick, real fast, how you can grow your YouTube channel. I know you're frustrated. I know you're tired of your views going down. You probably don't have no time or you can't make time. You're frustrated. Bills are going up, food's going up, cost of living, everything's constantly going up. You want to be at home, right? Comfort your house, making money. Well, I have a landscaping contracting business. I do it from home. I send guys out all over Central Texas doing jobs, all from home, all from my cell phone. My easiest way, system I've been doing for 10 years, is Facebook. Facebook Marketplace, Facebook group pages, posting Facebook and contracting group pages, posting in Facebook and groups around your town, your county, and other towns. I don't care if it's 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, posting before and after videos, before and after pictures. But every platform is different. Like on YouTube, this is educational. You need to teach, educate, and add value to the other person on the other side of the camera that can teach them. On Facebook, it's more for the older people, neighbor, Facebook, and next door. You need to be on both of those. TikTok, you can find your next client on there. I found plenty of realtor clients who need landscaping done, lawn care services, tree service, all that kind of stuff. And then you got to do more, guys. I started out 10 years ago with a car and a push mower. First winter came around, I had no work. Next summer came around, I had no work. So I was like, okay, let me start doing flower beds. Let me start doing landscaping. Let me start putting up Christmas lights. Let me start offering concrete fence work. It didn't come easy. You got to learn through making mistakes. And the last year and a half, 2 years, I've been able to work from home, send guys out, micromanage them from home, and get jobs done. Still pay everybody, homeowners be happy, and everything else. And the videos go back up on here, on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all that, and we just keep it rolling. And I don't pay for ads. I do everything organically. You need to use love, something that you're determined about, passionate about, or pain to sit down, get focused, use that to fill your cup up as fuel and some kind of igniter and motivator to get focused. I come from foster care to their parents, not for much, so I've had to depend on myself. Learn early on, no one cares what you're going through. No one's gonna come save you. If you want more, go out and get it. No matter if you're rich, poor, where you come from, everybody has a story. It's not your mom, dad's job, kids, your grandparents, your dog, the president, your governor. No, man, forget about them. You can learn. I had ADD, ADHD, hyperactive. I stuttered till I was 20 years old, spoke with a list, still talk fast at times. But these are all superpowers. You can use these to your advantage instead of playing the victim game. Everything's about perspective. Sit down, guys. Get focused at night. Put the kids somewhere. Go in your room. Put on YouTube and type in what you're great at or what you love, and then learn from somebody doing better than you. At the same time, stay in your lane. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes weeks, months, and years to grow a business. You need to learn delayed gratification. Nothing's gonna happen overnight. That's why gyms are full every January, and by March, they're empty again. When things get hard, people always want to go back towards to what's comfortable. You won't grow from a place of comfort, guys. You got to go through hard times. Listen to me. I come from foster care. My parents did. I've been through a lot. I'm still here. Use that as fuel. Go ahead and do more, guys. If you don't know something, ask somebody. Learn it. YouTube University is free. You type anything you want and learn it. I make money at home. I do landscape. I also sell products on TikTok, Amazon. I make my own commercials through Sora or TikTok AI or something. I use ChatGPT. You can learn all this stuff, guys. Trust me, 10 years ago, 12 years ago, I worked at Adobe's IHOP. I didn't know any of this stuff. I wouldn't have known this. You learn compound skills through failure, guys. You'll be okay. You'll learn more. You'll be able to do more. If not, reach out to people to help. Trust me, there's other people here to help you guys. But hey, that's my video for the day. You can make money at home, whether it's Alibaba, TikTok, Temu, Amazon, selling products, digital products, servicing homeowners through painting, landscaping, gardening, house cleaning, moving jobs, fence work, detailing vehicles, whatever it is, duct work, whatever it is. You can do all that. You can write your book. You can sell your book. You can sell courses. You can do garage sale hunting. You can buy and sell knickknacks, buy things on Facebook Marketplace and flip them. Garage sale hunting. There's so much things you guys can do here. You know what I'm saying? Learn it, apply it, do it. And if it gets hard, it's okay. That just means you get to a bottom level, sit down, figure it out, and level up instead of going backwards. All right? You got this, guys.